Prince Harry was yesterday accused of wasting court time after missing the first day of his historic case. He used the excuse that it was his daughter's birthday. He knew exactly when he needed to be there to testify for weeks, if not months, and now he's trying to say that he couldn't be there today. Who is his counsel, and why didn't they deal with this? When he enters the High Court witness box today, he'll become the first senior royal to give evidence in 132 years, swearing an oath to tell the truth beneath his father, the sovereign's coat of arms. But that could have happened yesterday. Instead, an exasperated judge rebuked the Duke's barrister when it became clear the royal witness was unavailable for the opening day of his own case, suing the publisher of the Mirror newspaper. So this was Harry's manoeuvre to cut down time available for cross-examination, a manoeuvre that didn't work because the judge stated, "You want a day and a half, you'll have a day and a half." Did Harry really spend time with his daughter on her birthday? Nope. It's an excuse. Let's say for the sake of argument that Harry arrived at a UK airport at 11:59 PM Sunday night. That would have been 4 PM California time. It's an 11-hour flight, more or less. So he left a Californian airport at 5 AM local time, 1 PM UK time. So how did he spend the day with Lilibet? Give her a kiss on the head at 3 AM before heading out of the door. Even if last night was 2 AM UK time, that's still 6 PM California time. After an 11-hour flight, he would have taken off from California at 7 AM. A source reveals that Harry was late because he was hungover after allegedly using illegal substances since Sunday night in a London hotel, and his lawyers had no prep time with him. Cross-examination may well become a route. Harry took a few pulls, imbibed on some booze, smoked a little something, and was so totally messed up that he didn't wake up in time. His lawyers had to sober him up and feed him a script, as in the answers to the expected questions from the opposition. Those barristers are going to rip him a new one, and the judge is none too happy about the no-show little game that he pulled. The judge even told the barrister not to worry, he'd extend the time for questions into the next day. Harry thought to shorten his time on the stand, but it didn't work. Let's hope that the judge continues to be smart and see past the royal titles. Harry's lawyer David Sherborne explained that his client was in a different category because of his travel and security arrangements. The Mirror's KC Andrew Green said it was absolutely extraordinary that Harry was not available for day one of his trial. Mr Justice Fancourt said he was a little surprised that Harry wasn't there, and admonished Mr Sherborne for causing timetable chaos. Andrew Green, a lawyer for Mirror Group newspapers, said he was deeply troubled by Harry's absence on the trial's opening day. He accused Harry's legal team of wasting the court's time, saying he'd expected to question the prince about 33 articles that the royal maintains were based on unlawfully obtained material.